Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm Grace O, the Director of Education Division in Dato, Jakarta. It's a great honor to join the Taiwan Higher Education Fair online today, and I'm pleased for the opportunity to greet you from Jakarta. First of all, I would like to thank the Taiwan Education Center in Surabaya, which operates under Asia University, and all involved parties. Without their effort, it would be impossible for the event to happen. Adjusting to COVID-19 pandemic, the online education fair is a notice way to set up a platform for us to communicate and provide you the useful higher education information in Taiwan. As you may know, promoting two-way academic cooperation between Indonesia and Taiwan has been the priority for the new southbound policy by the government of Taiwan. For the last 3 years, we have implemented large-scale measures to achieve our goal. The most significant project not only including providing Indonesian students with scholars for learning Mandarin or pursuing degrees in Taiwan, but also established Taiwan education centers. Aside from the TEC in Surabaya, the Ministry of Education of Taiwan and the Dato Jakarta have established 2 more official Taiwan education centers, which are located in different cities. Taiwan Education Center is a non-profit organization that actively provides up-to-date, useful information about Taiwan universities and scholarship opportunities in Taiwan. After this, you will have Ms. Dioda, the manager of TEC Jakarta, and Lia, the assistant manager, to introduce a scholarship in detail and how to reach these 3 centers. At last, I would like to express my wishes for the success of the Taiwan Higher Education Fair 2020 online, and thank you for your attention.
Greeting from Jakarta. I'm Tirta from Taiwan Education Center Indonesia, Jakarta Regional Office. I would like to congratulate TEC in Surabaya and all parties who have contributed to make Taiwan Higher Education Fair Online 2020 possible during COVID-19 outbreak. Hopefully, everybody is in good and healthy condition. So basically, there are 3 official TEC offices in Indonesia located in 3 universities in 3 different cities. The first office, as you already know, is TEC in Surabaya, located in Universitas Airlangga. The second one is located in Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, and the third one is located in Universitas Negeri Jakarta. TEC status as a non-profit foundation under the Ministry of Education of Taiwan and Dato Jakarta points out that TEC services are always free of charge. So, the information regarding study opportunities in Taiwan becomes more accessible for Indonesians. The target of our services are high school and university students or anyone who wants to pursue higher education in Taiwan. Not only limited to consultation services, TEC is also further expected to introduce Taiwanese culture to Indonesians. The establishment of 3 TEC offices certainly deepens the partnership between Taiwan and Indonesia universities. Moreover, it also opens up the possibility of wider collaboration with other universities and many more scholarship programs in Taiwan for Indonesians. Yes, Taiwan has been well known as a place for advanced research developments and high academic quality with affordable tuition. Moreover, numerous scholarships become one of the popular reasons why international students choose to study in Taiwan. According to statistics from Ministry of Education of Taiwan, the numbers of Indonesian students pursuing higher study in Taiwan are about 14,000 people in 2019. while in 2018 the numbers are 12,000 people. This raising significant numbers is truly good news for all of us. Thus, Taiwan government, through Ministry of Education and TETO Jakarta, consistently offers funding programs to encourage outstanding students in Indonesia to pursue higher education in Taiwan. There are two funding programs that are currently attainable: Taiwan Scholarship and Huayu Enrichment Scholarship. Taiwan Scholarship are available every year for bachelor, master, and doctoral programs. This scholarship offers tuition fee subsidy up to 40,000 NTD and subsistence allowance up to 20,000 NTD. Applicants for this scholarship are free to choose study programs either taught in English or Chinese. Besides scholarship for degree programs, Huayu Enrichment Scholarship are offered for the Mandarin learner, including beginner, to study at any of the university-affiliated language centers in Taiwan. Huayu Enrichment Scholarship is a short-term Mandarin course for international students in order to increase their understanding of Taiwanese culture and society. The recipient of this scholarship will be awarded a monthly stipend of 20,000 NTD with 6-month program duration. Indonesia students above the age of 18 and possess at least a high school diploma are welcome to apply. For Indonesia students who are interested in Taiwan Scholarship or Huayu Enrichment Scholarship, I encourage you to contact TEC and have consultation freely with our consultants. TEC Indonesia is willing to help you in understanding study and scholarship opportunities in Taiwan. After this, you will have Miss Lia, who will explain more detail about how to reach TEC Indonesia. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lia from Taiwan Education Center, Indonesia. This new normal era may change our routines and everything is pushed to be digitalized. TEC Indonesia now also actively holds online sharing sessions with many universities in Indonesia. To update the newest information related to study and scholarship opportunities in Taiwan, you can visit TEC Indonesia official Instagram or Facebook, namely TETO TEC Indonesia, or you can also visit studi-di-taiwan.blogspot.com. TEC Indonesia also has project to share the greatness of Taiwan education and a bunch of tips how to study or get scholarship in Taiwan on our podcast. We collaborate with Indonesia Student Association in Taiwan or Persatuan Pelajar Indonesia Taiwan, and many more inspirational Indonesia students in Taiwan that passionately wants to share how to reach their best achievements when experiencing international academic atmosphere in Taiwan. So, freely to access and follow our podcast account, namely TEC Indonesia, on Spotify or Radio Public. During COVID-19 outbreak, TEC Indonesia welcomes you to have online consultation with us. Freely ask us about your study plan or your expected scholarship. To contact TEC Indonesia or propose partnership, please send us an email to tecid.unj@gmail.com for TEC Jakarta Regional Office or tec@umy.ac.id for TEC Yogyakarta Regional Office or tecid.ua@gmail.com for TEC in Surabaya. We are more than willing if Taiwan universities would like to build partnership with TEC Indonesia in promoting your international programs. At last, I would like to express my best wishes for the success of Taiwan Higher Education Fair Online 2020. Thank you for your attention.